Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. I cleared off this corner area. Got to pick up the chargers, put them on eBay. I've ordered the charger. This box has to be gone through here. And this one's empty. I'll probably tear it up, and then this is where I'm hanging my backpack now and my MacBook, my iPad bag. This has to go through. And then over here, I took all the stuff off, and that's totally collapsed. So I'm going to take that downstairs, including the dead pillow, throw that out, and then I gathered up all the laundry, and there's one basket of laundry to do, and then I got to go through these two and see what's in there. And all day yesterday I had eye problems, so I'm making cleaning progress. I'm going to grab this thing right now, and this, I don't even know what's in there, a pair of shorts, so, and I'm going to try to find a home for all this. Maybe I can turn this over. That's not going to work. Alright. I will dispose of this thing, and that'll free up some room. And I ordered a new Mighty Mouse also. Had money, in the bank for that. So I'm getting there. It's just takes time to do all this stuff. Little girl used to like to sleep in this pillow, but it's stained, so I'm going to throw it out. And that trash bag will be there. And then today, if I have energy, I got to go out and get food. I'll sweep the floor and mop it. And tomorrow, maybe I'll see about clearing off the stove. So this is cleaning progress. The power brick should come back here next week. I decided to order it. I go to the Apple store Wednesday, and my eye doctor called me, and I missed an appointment. Didn't have the money to go, and wasn't feeling well anyway, so rescheduled that for June. So that's where things stand right now. And by the way, since I'm here, it may not look it, but I've cleared off the counter considerably also. So all that stuff that was stacked up is now gone. I just have to start eventually cleaning off all these stackables and make some more room. And I got more paper towels now than I had before. And when they bring the recycling thing back, I'll throw this pizza box away. So that's how far I've gotten. Can't do about the laundry the first of the month, but I'll be glad to get it clean and get it out of here and find a place to put it. Alright, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay wet, dry, cool, or warm as the case may be, and stay safe. And CR, thank you for helping me with the charger, and life will get better, and try to stay happy, my friend. Bye-bye for now.